Hey guys, it's Prissy. In today's video, we'll be getting my spice drawers in order. I'm super excited to be cleaning out my old spices and introducing a new organized system for this area. Now, if you are in need of some motivation to start organizing, I hope this video helps you. Also, please subscribe to my channel and just keep watching as I take these drawers from a total mess to a huge success. All right, guys, so this is the area we're going to be focusing on today. And my spice drawer sits right to the left of my stove, which is very convenient. Now, what's not convenient is the way these seasonings are set up in this drawer. Look at this, y'all. It looks a complete mess. Like, I'm kind of ashamed to show it to you guys, but we're going to get it in order. So I'm going to show you guys where I started before we get this thing rolling, okay? So I don't even know what I have in this drawer, what is going on, but the first thing we're gonna do is clean it out. So we're gonna get everything cleaned out of the drawer. We're gonna wipe it down really well, and then we're gonna get started on organizing it.
Don't slip on the trail. Tempo, tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo. Yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the, don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco.
Now that the drawer is all cleaned out, we're going to add a shelf or drawer liner to it. If you notice, there wasn't one there before, which that is why there was so much seasoning down in the bottom of the drawer, because I didn't have anything to catch it. So I'm just going to do like my method of measuring here. You can follow this tutorial or you can measure it properly. So all I do is just press my X-Acto knife up against the crease of the drawer, and I make an indentation in my drawer liner, and then I just grab my scissors and cut a straight line. So I don't know if you guys have heard that saying now. Nobody showed me this, but this is how I do it. So yeah, that's me. So like I said, properly measure your drawers, or you can do it like I do it. So before I went out and actually purchased spice containers, I did some research on Pinterest and YouTube, of course, and I just compiled a list of things that I really liked and things that I knew I needed in order to function properly. So I went ahead and placed an order on Amazon for the spice containers that I really liked and thought would work best in my space. These spice jars also came with the labels, which is a very great addition, and they came with a funnel. So the next thing I'm going to do is give the jars, sifters, and the lids a good wash. I have my dish detergent and also some bleach in a sink of hot water. So raise your hand if you're from the old school and add a little bit of bleach to your dishwater. All right, y'all, so I'm just going to take my straw and just a paper towel and just wrap it around. And then I'm going to go around the insides and just make sure they are really, really dry, because I don't want any of my seasonings sticking to the insides. So I'm just going to ensure they're very dry. So this is what I'm going to do to each and every one of them.
Jeffrey, get to work. Did a few for the camera with her hands, and look who really doing them.
Teamwork. Now, yes, my jars did come with labels. However, I wanted a certain type of look and aesthetic for my spice jars. So I went on Etsy and found these amazing labels, and I'll link those down below for you guys. And I was able to customize the labels right to my liking, to my spices that I currently have in my drawer. They also come with like pre-made labels, and I ordered a pack of those as well, because they're the basic, you know, like salt, pepper type labels. But I do have a few seasonings that, you know, require a custom label. So that is why I went with this Etsy seller. All right, y'all. So Babe took over doing the project for me. You can see that's why everything is all spread out like this, because this is how she like to work.
I'm gonna knock her.
She like to work. She like to work like this. I like to work like that. Okay, Babe is working on the seasonings, and we brought out a couple of our other funnels that we already have just to make the process go a little bit faster. Oh, here it is, the green one. So just to make the project go a little bit faster. I also want to show you guys this one before she put it into the container. It is the Slap Your Mama Cajun Seasoning White Pepper Blend. I have never seen this before, and I should have gotten more than one. I don't know what I was thinking. We got this from Rose, y'all. So if you got a Rose in your area, I'm gonna say give it a try, because I feel like it's gonna be good.
I think so too.
Because white pepper is good and Slap Your Mama is good. The two combined, like really. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that before she put it in this one right here. So something else I felt like my spice drawer needed was some type of risers. So I found these spice racks on Amazon. It comes 2 in a pack, and I purchased 2 packs of them. So I had a total of 4 risers. Now my drawer can only accommodate 3 of them because they are expandable, which was another thing that I really needed. So I put the 4th one in another drawer, and I'll show you guys how that one turned out at the end. And if you guys notice, there is a little bit of space behind the spice racks. So what I did was I went to my local Family Dollar and I purchased a tension rod to add right on the back of those spice racks so that my spices or the dividers don't move at all. So now that I've gotten most of my spices back in the drawer, a few of them will not fit. But don't fret, I do have an extra drawer and an extra divider. So again, I'm going to show you guys what I did with those seasonings as well. So before we jump into the after, can we reminisce on how this drawer looked a mess before? Like, it was so bad, guys, so horrible. And now I am ready to cook. Your girl is ready to get these pots rattling, okay? So with that being said, I will be bringing you guys some cook with me videos and also some what I eat in a day videos. My spice drawer has motivated me to start making those videos for you guys. So if you are super excited as I am, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my channel if you love this content. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.